The blimp is Airborne. Airship, AI, that is. Not too long ago, it was positively pumped with the award of 16 individual contracts from agencies within the Department of Justice and Department of Homeland Security, collectively valued at approximately $11 million. President Paul Allen stated that the contracts reflect, quote, continued momentum and critical importance of AI-driven surveillance solutions in advancing public safety and homeland security, emphasizing that the wins both reinforce existing deployments and unlock additional infrastructure opportunities. In at least one instance, following successful pilot programs that replaced underperforming competitive systems, Airship's platform was selected as the preferred solution for future-related infrastructure requirements, signaling growing trust and embedded adoption. For its finances, Q4 net revenues reached $6.5 million, up 102% year-over-year from $3.21 million. Gross profit totaled $3.3 million, translating into a 51.2% gross margin, an increase of 169% compared with the prior year period, driven by higher sales of proprietary branded hardware and software solutions. While the company reported a modest operating loss of $612,000 due to increased stock-based compensation and stepped-up sales and marketing investments, adjusted quarterly loss was only 1 cent per share, a marked improvement from a 10-cent loss a year earlier. For the full year, Airship reported net income of $29.3 million, primarily attributable to $36.5 million in non-cash gains tied to earnout and warrant liability adjustments. Cash and cash equivalents stood at $11.8 million at year-end, with $6.5 million in accounts receivable. Operating cash usage during Q4 was $3.5 million, reflecting growth-related working capital expansion. Airship exited the year with a validated pipeline of approximately $173 million, spanning single and multi-year opportunities expected to convert over the next 18 to 24 months. Backlog stood at $3.3 million, though leadership emphasized that roughly 75% of quarterly revenue is transactional and recognized within the same quarter, making pipeline breadth a more meaningful forward indicator than backlog alone. Importantly, several opportunities that were expected to fund in Q4 shifted into the first quarter of the government's fiscal year, providing near-term visibility into additional awards. Airship's technology remains central to its competitive positioning. Its Outpost AI Edge appliance aggregates thousands of sensor and video feeds into what it describes as a, quote, single pane of glass, generating real-time alerts through proprietary, in-house trained computer vision models. Its rule engine enables agencies to predefine automated responses, reducing reliance on constant human oversight. The platform now extends across edge, data center, and cloud deployments through its Fortress server offering and the Acropolis enterprise software stack, allowing highly secure workflows on-premises or in federal cloud environments. During Q4, Airship expanded functionality with the selective release of its agentic AI natural language tool, Ask Airship, enabling users to query data generated by its computer vision models more intuitively. It also broadened deployment of its Edge AI into mobile autonomous robotic platforms, including bipedal and quadrupedal systems, which management believes will open additional use cases for federal and commercial customers seeking to combine robotics with AI-driven surveillance. Allen noted that while broader fiscal appropriation processes slowed spending at some agencies, mission-critical homeland security programs continued to move forward. He highlighted procurement momentum under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, including $4.5 billion in new contracts awarded for the CBP Smart Wall Initiative. Airship is working with prime contractors under that IDIQ vehicle to provide traditional and AI-enhanced video surveillance capabilities, positioning the company to participate in large-scale border infrastructure upgrades. Another major move has been the progression of pilot and non-programmatic deployments into fully programmatic engagements, in some cases including new authorities to operate on trusted federal government networks. Looking further into 2026, The focus remains on improving gross margins, scaling sales and business development investments through organic cash flow and warrant exercises, and driving toward cash flow positive operations before year end. Continued refinement of Outpost AI, Fortress, and Acropolis, alongside expanded partner and integrator engagement, is expected to broaden both federal and commercial reach. Although federal budget timing remains partially unresolved, leadership believes the depth and diversification of its $173 million pipeline help mitigate agency-specific funding risk. To sustain surveillance on its stock price, go to TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.